Are you loving my wig? I got this beautiful candle. Hi guys, how is everybody doing? Well, over here we are doing great by the grace of God. It has been a rough winter. Finally, we had a good weather today. It's been, yesterday was in the 70s, well, 70 something. Today is beautiful. So since it's beautiful, we are heading out. I have a couple of places to stop by today. I'm heading out. I need candles. You guys know I'm a lover of candles. I need candles. Hey, are you loving my wig? I love candles. I have to stop by Homegoods to see if I could get me some good scents, and I have to stop by the supermarket to pick up some stuff, and then head home to make dinner. But hey, let's enjoy this weather, because I guess everybody have been feeling the bad winter. So over here we're having, the weather has been good to us yesterday and today, so we have to enjoy it. Okay, so guys, I'm heading out. Yep, so I'm getting ready to go. The sun is out. It's so beautiful outside. We are like, I feel like it's winter spring because it's beautiful. This season had been bad, but I'm on my way. To, I'll stop by to get me a latte first, then see how my day goes. Okay guys, so we are out. Butter pecan latte.
I don't have latte.
Hot, yeah. Medium.
What size?
Medium, please.
Medium hot butter pecan latte.
Yes, 1 pump of the butter pecan. And then also bagel twist toasted with butter.
What else?
That's it.
941.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Morning. So guys, yesterday I was supposed to go to the supermarket, but I couldn't make it because something came up. I have so many things to do, so I decided to make the trip today. So I'm on my way to the supermarket to pick up a couple of things, and yeah, we'll see. Hi guys, so I came back from Homegoods and I told you guys I'm going to get candles. So this is what I got. I got this beautiful candle, hope you can see. I got it for, it's on clearance for $8. I just love its tone. I just like the texture, how it's looking. It's beautiful. And then I got lamp. I want to change my lamp. This is also $29 on clearance. It's two of them, but I'm showing you just one. It's two of them. This is, I just look at it. It's nice. I like the gold base you have, and these two will be in my living room. I got another candle. This is jasmine. It's very, it smells very good. It's $7.99. I hope I got it right. Yeah, $7.99. Then another candle. This is sand and fog. What smell is this? I can't even see. It's like it's pineapple coconut smell. It smells very good. And that is $8.99. So guys, I hope you guys like what I bought. I hope you enjoy my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Bye.